part 2 on how to make a gumball machine. So we will just get right to it. First wait, hold on. Okay, so here comes this part. This is all it is it's two 1x2s. Oh wait, I'm sorry. Two 1x1 flats. One 1x1 with the hole in the middle, and then it doesn't matter what color it is. It just, you can do it. And then you can take one of these little L-shaped or whatever you want to call it, and then one of these little guys, whatever they're called, and then you can put it onto there, that, and then put this on right here. Wait. It's not going on. Hold on. Maybe I put it on the wrong way. Whoopsies. Okay. Okay, yeah, I did put it on the wrong way. It doesn't matter what way you put it on. It's just, yeah, so anyway, you can put that on right here. So now you got your little thing, and then go back. And now we're pretty much done. All we gotta do now is build the base, just simple stuff. Hold on. Just a minute. Okay, cool. Now you take your 1x6, put it on right here. Then your 1x3, put it on right here. Like that. Then take a 2x2 thick, put it right there. Then take a whoopsies. Where'd that go? Okay, then you take a 1x2. I'm just wondering where that went. Anyway, then you take a 1x3 with a 1x1 on the top, put it right there. Then take a 1x3, 2x3 I meant, put it on right there. Then a 1x2, then a 1x3 with 2x2 on the bottom, or just two 1x2s, and then put it right here. And then basically got a candy machine. All you gotta do now is put the layers on. Okay, so now, where did that go? Hold on just a minute. Where did it go? Oh, I think it went right there. Okay, anyway, back to this. So now you get 1x3, put it on right there. Take a 1x2, put it right there. Then a 1x6, put it on right there. Oopsies. Where'd that come from? Oh, right there, okay. Then a 2x4, I think, thick, 2x4 thick. Then 2x2 thick, I think that's what it's called. Sorry if I don't know how that goes, but anyway, and then a 1x4 thick. And then a 1x6, then a 1x1, hold on. then a 1 by, hold on, 2 by 4, then like that. Oh, I think I know where this goes. Okay, so take the make this and then put it on the bottom of here, of these two ones, and then oopsies, and then whoopsies again. Okay, so then, sorry, my dog's going crazy. Anyway, and then crap. And then then, well, I'm just gonna stop it right here now. I'm gonna make a part 3 because my mom's home and she'll probably make a lot of noise. So part 3 will be coming up.